Have you ever wondered how it would be like to live underwater? Or perhaps, how submarines manage to operate beneath the ocean's surface? Welcome to the world of submarines, an incredible invention that allows us to plunge into the deep blue abyss and explore the mysteries that lie beneath. These complex machines are more than just giant tubes that float and sink. They're marvels of engineering that have forever changed how we perceive and interact with the underwater world. When you think of submarines, you might imagine a mysterious, silent vessel gliding through the depths, exploring the unknown. Or perhaps, you picture a powerful military tool capable of stealth and strategic advantage. But submarines are so much more than that. They are homes, laboratories, and exploratory vessels that allow us to live, work, and learn in the ocean's depths. These underwater vessels play a crucial role in a variety of fields. In research, they help scientists study marine life, understand the ocean's impact on climate, and explore the ocean's depths, where light doesn't reach and pressure can crush a human like a soda can. In exploration, they take us to places we couldn't otherwise go, revealing the wonders of the deep sea and the history hidden in shipwrecks. And in the military, they offer a strategic advantage, allowing countries to protect their shores and project power across the globe. The concept of living underwater is intriguing, isn't it? It's a world that seems alien, and yet, with the help of technology, it's within our reach. The technology that powers submarines is advanced and intricate, but it's also fascinating, revealing the lengths to which human ingenuity can go when faced with the challenges of exploring the unknown. So, how does a submarine dive into the depths without imploding? How does it navigate through the darkness? And what does it take to support life miles beneath the ocean's surface? To understand this fascinating technology, we first need to explore the basic principles that allow a submarine to function. The secret to a submarine's ability to dive and resurface lies in the principle of buoyancy. What exactly is buoyancy? Simply put, it's the force that allows objects to float. When an object is submerged in a fluid such as water, it experiences an upward force, buoyancy, equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. Let's think of it this way. When you hop into a swimming pool, you feel lighter, right? That's because the water you're displacing is pushing back against you, creating that floating sensation. The more water you displace, the greater the buoyant force. Now, how does a submarine use this principle? It all revolves around ballast tanks, which are special compartments in the submarine that can be filled with water or air. When a submarine needs to dive, it fills these tanks with water. This increases the submarine's weight without changing its volume, meaning it displaces less water and sinks. If the submarine wants to rise back to the surface, it does the opposite. It pumps out the water from the ballast tanks and fills them with air. This decreases the submarine's weight, but its volume remains the same. Now, it displaces more water than its weight, creating a buoyant force that pushes the submarine upward. Imagine a balloon underwater. When you let it go, it races to the surface. That's because the water pressure outside the balloon is greater than the air pressure inside the balloon. The same principle applies to a submarine. It's a constant dance between water and air, weight and volume, sinking and floating. And the master of this dance? The submarine. With the simple push of a button, a submarine can control its ballast tanks, manipulate its buoyancy, and traverse the vast depths of the ocean. So next time you see a submarine dive into the blue or rise back to the surface, remember it's all about buoyancy. By manipulating buoyancy, a submarine can dive deep into the ocean or rise back to the surface. Having mastered buoyancy, a submarine moves underwater using its propulsion system. This is the beating heart of the submarine, providing the power needed for it to traverse the vast underwater world. The propulsion system consists of two main parts, the engines and the propellers. The engines are the powerhouse of the submarine. They generate the mechanical energy needed to turn the propellers. These engines can be either diesel or nuclear. Diesel engines need air to operate, which is why submarines with diesel engines have to surface regularly. On the other hand, nuclear engines can operate underwater for extended periods, only limited by the crew's supplies and the submarine's overall endurance. The propellers, also known as screws, are the hands that reach out into the water, pushing it away to propel the submarine forward. The design of the propellers is of utmost importance. They must be efficient, producing maximum thrust with minimal energy. They must also be quiet to ensure the submarine remains undetected. But moving forward is just part of the journey. To navigate the underwater world, a submarine relies on its navigation system. This system is the eyes and ears of the submarine, guiding it through the vast and often treacherous underwater terrain. The navigation system uses a combination of sonar, GPS, and complex algorithms to map the underwater world and plot a safe course. Sonar, or sound navigation and ranging, is the submarine's primary means of seeing underwater. It sends out sound waves that bounce off objects and return to the submarine. By calculating the time it takes for the sound waves to return, the system can determine the distance and direction of the object. GPS, or Global Positioning System, helps when the submarine is near the surface. It uses satellites to determine the submarine's exact location. These systems work together, ensuring the submarine and its crew can navigate the depths safely, avoiding underwater mountains, trenches, and other potential obstacles. Indeed, the propulsion and navigation systems are the guiding force of a submarine. They enable these remarkable vessels to venture into the unknown, exploring the mysteries of the deep in ways that were once thought impossible. While buoyancy, propulsion, and navigation are crucial, a submarine also needs to support the crew living inside it. Our journey underwater continues as we delve into the life support systems of a submarine. These systems are what make it possible for the crew to survive and function during their extended stays underwater. Let's break down these systems into three main components: air supply, temperature control, and waste management. First and foremost, let's talk about air supply. Oxygen is vital for humans to survive, and in the sealed environment of a submarine it's even more crucial. Submarines are equipped with oxygen generators that separate oxygen from seawater. This oxygen is then released into the submarine's atmosphere, allowing the crew to breathe. Additionally, carbon dioxide scrubbers are used to remove the carbon dioxide exhaled by the crew, preventing it from building up to dangerous levels. Next up is temperature control. The deep ocean can be a chilly place, and maintaining a comfortable temperature inside the submarine is essential for the well-being of the crew. Submarines are insulated to protect against the cold ocean water and are equipped with a heating system to keep the internal temperature steady. This allows the crew to work and rest in a comfortable environment, regardless of the conditions outside. Lastly, let's discuss waste management. In the confined space of a submarine, waste can quickly become a problem. Submarines have systems in place to manage all types of waste, from human waste to food scraps. These systems not only keep the submarine clean but also prevent any potential health risks that could arise from improper waste disposal. So, when you think about it, a submarine is more than just a vessel. It's a self-contained ecosystem that creates a livable environment for its crew. These life support systems are a testament to human ingenuity, allowing us to explore the depths of the ocean in relative comfort and safety. Life support systems not only ensure survival, but also contribute to the efficiency of the crew. Submarines have come a long way since their inception, playing vital roles in our world today. These underwater marvels have not only revolutionized naval warfare, but they have also become indispensable tools in various other fields. Let's delve into some of the key roles they play in our modern world. In the realm of military, submarines have always been a game changer. Their stealthy nature makes them the perfect choice for covert operations. They allow for the discreet transport of personnel and equipment, and offer a powerful deterrent against potential aggressors. Submarines are also equipped with advanced surveillance systems, making them ideal for tracking enemy movements and gathering crucial intelligence information. Beyond the battlefield, submarines have significantly contributed to scientific research. They provide scientists with the means to explore the depths of the ocean, a vast and largely uncharted frontier right here on our planet. Through submarines, we've discovered countless new species, observed unique marine behaviors, and gained insights into the complex ecosystems that thrive beneath the surface. They have also allowed us to study geological phenomena, like underwater volcanoes and tectonic movements, in ways we could only dream of before. Submarines also play a crucial role in deep-sea exploration. From the recovery of lost artifacts to the exploration of sunken ships, submarines have made it possible to venture into depths that were once thought to be inaccessible. They have been instrumental in unlocking the secrets of the Titanic, the Bismarck, and other notable shipwrecks, providing us with fascinating glimpses into our past. And let's not forget the role of submarines in laying and repairing undersea cables, which are the backbone of our global communication system. They are also used in oil and gas extraction, playing a pivotal role in our energy sector. Indeed, submarines offer an incredible glimpse into the mysteries of the underwater world, helping us push the boundaries of human exploration and knowledge.